Is your Amazon Fire TV Cube remote not working, not responding, or having trouble pairing? Don't worry, here are some simple fixes to get your remote working again. So first let's try resetting the remote. You just have to press and hold the left, back and the menu buttons at the same time for about 15 seconds. And this will reset the remote immediately. And next you have to remove the batteries. If they have been in use for a while, just replace them with a fresh set. So while the batteries are out, you just have to press and hold the power button for a few seconds to drain any leftover power, and then put the new batteries back in. And when everything's okay, now you just have to press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds to put the remote into pairing mode. So you should see a blinking green or orange light here, and which means the remote is trying to pair. But in your case, if the remote still isn't connecting, don't worry, you can use your phone as a temporary remote. Just you have to make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV Cube. Then download the Amazon Fire TV app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open the app and sign in with your Amazon account if needed. Now select your Fire TV Cube from the list of available devices, and once it's connected, use the app to navigate to settings, then controllers and Bluetooth devices, and here you have to select your Amazon Fire TV remote. And if your remote appears offline or isn't listed, just choose Add New Remote, then press and hold the home button on your Fire TV remote again until it shows up on the screen. And now you have to select it from the list to complete the pairing process. And once it's connected, your remote should start working normally again. And that's it. And hopefully one of this method got your Fire TV Cube remote working again. So let us know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.